Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I add shakes in my skull edits, which shake effects I use, how I apply them, how I make my edits look smooth and powerful. I'll explain everything step by step in this video. So make sure you watch the tutorial till the end so you don't miss anything important. But before we start, quickly subscribe to the channel because I keep posting helpful editing tutorials like this. So let's get started.
Okay, so first pick your clip and find the exact moment where the music drops. Split the clip there and use the freeze option to freeze it. Now let's adjust the look of that frozen frame. Go to adjust and lower the saturation up to 32. Turn up the clarity to about 50 and set the vignette to 32 to give it some depth. Next, let's add the effects. Number one effect, we are using shake effect. Go to video effects, select shake and set both speed and intensity to 5. Now number 2, black flash 2. In the party category, pick this and set speed to 36, intensity to 10, size 11 and twist 14. Now go to camera shake, also in party, set range to 9 and speed to 18. Now look at this. Again, next click on rebound swing, set size to 0, speed to 70 and intensity to 20. Make sure to apply it to all videos and duplicate it twice for the best results. Finally, you can add a skull overlay or any other detail to finish it off. And that's it. Your edit now has those perfect smooth shakes. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.